Jai Hind everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, I am Apurva and today we are diving into the amazing world of Tableau. It is one of the most powerful and easy to use tools for data visualization. This is episode first of our Tableau for Beginners series. And by the end of this video, you will have Tableau installed and ready to build your first dashboard. Tableau, it is a very simple visualization tool. If you have used Excel, if you know the basics of Excel, then Tableau, you will have a great intuition for Tableau also. So basically we drag and drop things in Tableau, and we'll cover it in very short period of time so that you get the basic or general overview of Tableau. So let me first introduce Tableau. Tableau is a data visualization tool that helps you transform raw data into interactive, easy to understand visuals like charts, graphs, and dashboards. It's used by analysts, businesses, and even students around the world to make data-driven decisions. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding expert to use it. First of all, if you are starting with this visualization tool, that is Tableau, the question you should be clear with is why data visualization is important. So let me tell you, like data visualization, see this question, there are total 100 students in a class, out of which 10 like maths, 25 like science, 15 like arts, 20 like music, and 30 likes bio. Okay, so the first way of passing this information to the stakeholder is the textual format, which is like this, and other way could be the table format. So in table format, it is easy to grasp when compared to textual format, the previous one, and it takes more space than textual format, but this is the easy one. Agree? Then if we talk about another way in which we can pass the information to the stakeholders, is even the better one, is the chart format. Chart format is the best one. Even it takes even more space when compared to the text and tabular format. But if we sort the data in this chart format, then it becomes very easy to see the pattern trend it is following, and it will be like very quickly we can understand what is happening in the overall data. Sometimes what happen is like see this tabular data. Question is, which data received highest number of orders? So if you'll see like this, it will become like time taking process and even tedious work to look each value and find out that which data received highest number of orders, which date received highest number of orders. But when we see the graph, here we can find out the pattern, the trend. The seasonality means to say what is the pattern the data is following. So we can see here easily that on this date, 22/3/12 or 12 March 22, the order placed were maximum on this date, that is 1210. Okay, so this is the seasonality, this is the trend it is following. And talking about the benefits of data visualization, so making huge data digestible, greater accessibility. Greater accessibility means to say that more people using it, greater the accessibility. As it is more efficient, more people will understand, more people will use. Greater accessibility, greater efficiency, ease of consumption, identifying patterns, exploring business insights. Here we will stop and we'll try to install Tableau Public from Google. It is very simple process. Installing the Tableau Public on your desktop is very simple. So let's download it first. It will take some time for downloading also. So to download Tableau Public, we have to go to this link, tableau.com. Then we have to fill this, your first name, your last name, email, role for personal use, student. You can fill country, India. Then you can download the app. So let me fill this first. Personal user, then download the app. Thank you for downloading Tableau Desktop Public Edition. If your download doesn't begin automatically, try again for. So mine is Windows. I will download it on the desktop.